Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bully. Today I am going to show you guys how to create a print-on-demand store using Printful WordPress and WooCommerce. Printful is another print-on-demand provider that has different selection and options that are quite different from Printify. You can use both of them or install both of them on your WooCommerce store, so you can provide a variety of print-on-demand products to your customers. But in this tutorial, I will show you guys how to install and set up a print-on-demand store using Printful only. Creating a print-on-demand store using a third-party print-on-demand provider will help you create an online business without having actual physical products and equipment. It could save you tons of money. Before we get started, I want to welcome back my subscribers. I appreciate you guys. But for those who are brand new to the channel, my name is Bully. I create tutorials and talk about web designs focusing on user experience using WordPress. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet and turn on that bell notification so you won't miss any future uploads about web designs from me. If you guys find this video helpful somehow, please give it a thumbs up to help support the channel. I would appreciate your support a lot. Thank you. There are some other best ways to help support the channel that I encourage you guys to visit my website to check out my merch and web consulting services. I have a 20% off coupon for you guys to use with free shipping. But if you guys don't want to support my channel that way, you can also join my Patreon for exclusive offers, or you guys could donate to my channel directly. I would appreciate your support a lot. Thank you so much. By the way, I have a private group to discuss e-commerce web designs on Discord. Join my private community. It's always free to join. I add all the links in the description box below for you guys to check out. With that being said, let's get started. Let's go to printful.com. If you haven't had an account with them yet, just click the sign up button on the top. In this case, I already have an account with them. I will have to sign in to my account. And this is the dashboard. We are going to add a new store. In this case, I am going to connect the demo store to Printful. Just click the button, choose platform, click connect button. Let me log into the dashboard of my demo store real quick. Otherwise, it will ask you to log in again. Click connect. Usually there are two types here. When you click connect, you have to do this manually. All they provide on their website, it's all the instructions. If you set up your website for the first time through the SiteGround, you could do that. And the second tab, it's for when you already have an existing online store. So just read through all these instructions or just watch the video so you understand more how to do it. But let's get started. Let's go to the dashboard of our demo store. Let's add a plugin. We will search for Printful plugin, of course. And that's the plugin that we need to install. Click the install button, and after it's done installing, just click to activate it. Don't forget to turn on the auto updates feature so it will do that for you automatically. Next, we need to check on the general settings of the permalinks for your online store, just to make sure that it is the post name option. Make sure to save the settings by clicking the save button at the bottom of the page. Next, we are going to go to the WooCommerce settings, select Advanced tab, and then select Legacy API. Check the box to enable the Legacy REST API and click the Save Changes button. I already enabled mine because I did the Printify tutorial previously. I add the link in the description box for you guys to check out for that tutorial. Next, we are going to the Printful plugin. Click the connect button. Printful will ask you to give them both read and write access to your online store, so just click the approve button here. Next, I already have an account with Printful. I will continue with my email address that they have on file. Click the continue button and click this button to confirm the connection again. Right now, it is syncing your WooCommerce store to the Printful store. It will take only a couple of minutes here to be done. Once it's done, it will direct you to your store, and we are inside the demo store now. Click the Add Product button to add a product. So let's add a product here because we haven't had any product yet. Let's select one of these products. Let's select all shirts. They have a lot of options here, even an overall print t-shirts. That one looks good. It has 95 reviews. It's not that bad. But the starting price is about almost $26. Let's scroll up here. Let's select this one. It's a bestseller. It has many color selections and it has over 1,600 reviews. And this tab is for the product design. Click that icon, drop your design right there if you have a file. We will select only a couple colors here, so just click some of the colors that you want to add to your store. I will pick only black, blue, and this green for a demo. Scroll down a little bit to select the sizes. In this case, down here they say there are some discontinued variants, so we need to remove the selection for the size XS, 3XL, and 4XL because they don't make these sizes anymore. Let's scroll up a little bit. That link is the information about the product, about the t-shirt, the pricing, print file templates, and the reviews. So you can go through all these tabs and read through all the information, so you know you know about the product well and how much things cost, like additional print would cost like about $6 or something like that, and they even have a bulk discount information too that you could use for the pricing on your online store. Print the templates right here you can download to use to design your own graphic, like in Photoshop or Illustrator or whatever your editing software will be. And this tab is for the reviews. So far this shirt has a lot of good reviews, so it is a good shirt. Let's close that out. Just leave the printing DTG alone. That's a default selection that they're gonna print. Let's explore the next tab. Let's check out the designs tab right here. If you don't have any design file for your graphic to put on the t-shirt, you can design your graphic right here on the fly. Like, they have some certain pictures or logos for you to use, and you could add a text. And in this case, I'm gonna explore my library a little bit. Let's see what I have here to upload on the t-shirt. Let's go to the next page. I don't see much. Oh, it's down right here. Scroll down a little bit. So far, I haven't had any graphic that I could use for the t-shirt. Let's see page 2. Let's try this one. Click place. And oh, this graphic is too small. Oh wait, this graphic is for a phone case. So that's you're gonna get a warning message complaining that you need to get a bigger file because the file resolution is not that good. And then on the left side, you could see the print quality is just average. You don't want to upload a bad quality graphic file because it's not gonna look good. So let's design a graphic on the fly. So let's add some text here. When you want to make another line, you just press the enter to make another line in the text editor, and then you will have like different lines, or 3 different lines in this case. And you could align the text, choose the typeface. Let's choose that one. No, let's go with that one. Let's drag it up a little bit on the chest. That way it will look better when you wear the shirt with that text on. It's hard to see the text because it's black, but I have a black t-shirt right here, so I need to change the text to some other colors. Let's go with white. There you go. It looks a lot better now with all 3 colors that I picked. Let's check out other tabs. The first one is back. We're not gonna do that in this tutorial. The next one is outside label. The next one is inside label. The next one is left sleeve and the right sleeve. If you add any extra graphic in those spots on the t-shirt, your customers have to pay some extra costs. And so far, it looks all good. Let's check out the black. Toggle to the green. That looks good too. That looks good too. Well, let's click the button, proceed to mockups. This t-shirt is a unisex t-shirt, so we need to select the couple's mockup so your customers or your potential customers could see how the shirt's gonna look like on both women and men. Make sure you check the size guide right there. Right now we don't have a product category on our demo store yet, so just click the button to proceed next, and this is the prices. Usually Printful give you the price of each size only with about $5 profit, so you may need to change the prices here to get more profit. Let's add $10 more. Once it looks good, just click the Submit to the Store button. Scroll up a little bit. Now Printify is adding this t-shirt to our demo store. It will take only a couple minutes and then it should be done. Hooray! It's done! Let's go to the dashboard of the demo store. You could use that link to click to go to the demo store. I'm gonna use the tab that I already opened it. Let's check the products page first. Where's the products? Oh, right here. All products. Our t-shirt is right there. Let's click on the title so we can edit this product for a little bit. That's it, the description of the product. We need to add a new category for this t-shirt. Just go with the clothing for now, for an example. And then unselect the back pain relief belt category. Don't forget to add the product tags right here so that it will be easier for your potential customers or you to search for any products in your online store. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit once we're done adding more tags. Let's check the description. Looks good to me so far. But for the real store, you need to revise this description to make it more convincing and exciting, or something like that. It's up to you. It's your store. If you have an SEO plugin installed, you need to add meta description right here so your t-shirt will be found on the internet easily. That's the default color that people will see, the black t-shirt. Scroll down a little bit here and add some description here. This is the product short description. It will be displayed on top of the page underneath the product title. It's important for you to add a short description here to convince your potential customers about your t-shirt. let's check the variations. When you click each row, it will be expanded, and then you will see more information about the size of the t-shirt. If you want to change all the prices and some other information, you have to go back to Printful to change all that and export it back to your store again. This is the custom tabs that I will add. I will add the size tab because this tab will give the users a better experience. That's just the template that I use for this demo store. The custom tabs that I have, it is another plugin. Once you're done, just click the update button. Let's go check the front end. Let's see how it looks like. Let's go to the product page. My product page is under the shop menu. Oh, right there. There you go. What a cute tee. My design is really good, don't you think? And that is the short description that we just added. And let's check out the colors. Okay, it looks like it's working so far in the sizes. All the drop downs are working. The hover over the t-shirt. And then when we toggle or click on each t-shirt, it shows. Okay, it looks good. Here it is. This is the size tab that we just added. We are going to add the size guide again because the link that we have on the product page, it is a small link. It doesn't pop out at all. I don't think it is a good user experience. So we need more information about the table of the size guide. So I just Google it, and then we back here again on Printful. And that's the size guide that we are going to copy and paste directly into that tab. And here is for the inches. So basically we just hold down the cursor all the way and then just right click to copy it, and we are going to paste it directly to our custom tabs. And then just paste it in here. Make sure the text editor here is in the visual. And let's go back there to get more information about the centimeters. This table is for inches. We may need the other table is for centimeters. Toggle to the next tab, which is centimeters, and we will do the same. Copy this section right here and go back to our dashboard to the custom tab for the size and paste it right here underneath the centimeters. And then you could style whatever you want here. In this case, I'm just gonna make the inches and centimeters bold. And then just click the update button once you are done. And let's go. Let's go to the front end to see the changes. Let's refresh the page. And the link for the size guide is right there. it doesn't look stand out. So we need to make sure that this information for the size guide will be everywhere on the demo store or on your print-on-demand store. It is a better user experience, so the customers can't come back to you and complain that I can't find the size guide or something like that. So we are going to grab that link because it's exactly the same from Printful that they pushed this link to our demo store. So we just add a fraction of the information in our custom tab, but we will add this link in our custom tab too. By doing so, we right-click the size guide link, select Inspect. This browser is Firefox, so as Google Chrome browser, it's the same too, it's Inspect. Then it will highlight the HTML code of the link. Right-click on the highlighted HTML code. To select Edit as HTML, and then highlight the whole thing and copy this code. Let's go back to our custom tab. Scroll all the way down. The custom tabs. Right here, we will add a little text like more size details. Click here or something like that. After we're done, toggle to the text section. Scroll all the way down, and right here, the here that we just type in, delete that and paste the whole HTML code in there, and then click the Save Tabs button and click the Update button also. Let's go to the front end to check on the changes that we just made. Let's close out the Inspect section. Let's go down to the bottom to the Size tab. Let's scroll down a little bit. There you go. That's the link. Let's click it. Wow, we've got the same information as the link above. This is so cool. This will provide your customers a better experience if you add this link down here too. That's it. That's all for today's tutorial. Leave me in comments below what you guys think about adding or using Printful as your third-party print-on-demand provider. I would love to hear from you guys a lot. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and turn on that bell notification for any future uploads about web designs from me. If you guys find this video helpful somehow, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate your support a lot. Thank you so much. All right, I wish you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.